Hi, this is a short video to teach you how you can take screenshot in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So for that you can use your shortcut key. There is a shortcut key to open the snipping tool. So for that just click on Windows plus Shift plus yes. Here you will get a top bar on the screen which is a snip tool, and you have various modes here. The first one is the full screen mode, the second one is the window mode, the third one is freeform mode where you can draw the custom, you can make your own custom screenshot, and this one is rectangular mode. So I'm selecting the rectangular mode first and I'm just dragging it the way you want, and just leave your mouse, then it will take you to the snipping tool window. Just click on that. This will open the snipping tool. From here just go to the 3 button, just click it and click on the save option. Now it will ask the location to save this file. Just click on save. It will be saved as PNG file. Just click on save and you're done. Now the next one is freeform. So the same one, Windows plus Shift plus S, then go to the freeform. Now from here just draw the way you want, and now this will be saved. This is cool, right? Just click on the zipping tool. From here again the process is same. Just click on save and save it. Now to open that file just go to the folder location, that is pictures. Now from here you can see that the files are saved here. Just open it and you are good to go. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.